In this video, I'll detail how to change AirPods Pro 2 microphone on iPad. So if you have an iPad, either the old iPad or new iPad, and you are able to connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPad, then you can change the AirPod microphone either from the left or right, or from right to left. Literally, the best way to switch or change your AirPods Pro 2 microphone is to set it to automatic. So once you selected automatic, this is going to switch the microphone on your AirPods Pro 2 automatically. So when you put on the left AirPod, it's going to switch to left microphone on your iPad and on the AirPod. And once you put in right into your ear, it's going to set the microphone into the right AirPod. However, if you want to switch between the AirPods Pro 2 microphone automatically, when you put on right to switch to right, and when you put on left to switch to left, so that you don't need to switch this manually, then you need to follow the step I'm about to share with you in this video. So if I don't know this, if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is just make sure your AirPods Pro 2 is connected to your iPad, and once it's connected, you can just drop the AirPods Pro 2, just go ahead and drop it. Then go to your iPad settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select Bluetooth. Once connected, you should see the name of your AirPods Pro 2 here. Here you see the name of my AirPods Pro 2. Then click on the information icon. Then once you selected that, you'll be taken to the AirPods Pro 2 information page on your iPad. As you see, then here tap microphone. On the microphone page, the active AirPod microphone can automatically change from left to right or be faced to one side. Now, to switch the microphone automatically, make sure the microphone is set to automatically switch AirPods. So if you put in the right AirPod or the left AirPod, your AirPod will automatically switch the microphone once it detects it in your ear, or once you remove it from the AirPod casing, like this. And if you want to use the left AirPod, always left AirPod. For right, select always right AirPod. However, it is recommended to set to automatically switch AirPod to be able to switch the AirPod microphone automatically on your AirPods Pro 2. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.